What's up, good old citizens of the United States of America? Guys,
and anybody who watches this.
and here, total ISIS
6
and
days to go. Hang in there. 6 days to go.
yeah,
16.
it's 16.
What are you feeling? You know what I'm feeling?
I'm feeling the vibe. That's what I'm feeling.
I'm feeling this. I can't call you that.
Yeah, really. I'm rolling. Are you gonna cry in that video? Come on, we gotta get into Miss Buck's room. Come on, I'm going into Miss Buck's room. What's up? Smells like urine in that joint. Exactly. She restocked me.
Oh, you took the greatest thing. Oh, you.
I'm not a jerk.
What's the greatest thing?
The Reese's. Come on, you piece of junk.
I thought you were gonna say something.
Dude, I don't cuss.
I do.
Okay, I do cuss. Every now and then I do.
Every now and then. If I say it right now, we'll be fine.
It'll be on YouTube. I really won't care.
Say it like you just don't care. Because you don't. You fart. I like your
You're looking at your brand new teacher.
Yeah. Did that black girl say to you? Shut up, Mr. Parker. You racist?
Oh, yeah, I know. I'm like,
Hey, dozens.
yeah. What should we be cutting open today? No, I think we can control for that.
I'm a cannibal though.
I know.
I'm a cannibal chicken. Eat other chickens.
We are going to cut open our Reese's.
Everyone knows what's inside of Reese's.
Yeah, true.
What's inside? What's inside Parker's brain? Oh, it's easy. Nothing. I don't know what's Random dude just walked in. Okay. Hear it?
Yeah.
What's inside a keyboard?
Mom, what's inside glue? Was down there. So your mom told me to tell you you're grounded for bouncing the ball on here.
Wow.
He can hear it all the way down there, and your mom said the same.
You're grounded?
I'm just kidding.
I'm like,
I was in that room the whole time. I heard you guys knocking. I was like, oh shoot, run. I hid in that room.
wow. So
I
let's,
can tell because my mom can't hear. She's got super hearing.
what should we cut open today?
People.
Your face. No, that
We
hurt.
should cut
What's
open.
inside Brayden's
A phone. Let's cut open this phone. My phone.
What's inside Dylan's
Shoot, I'm
head?
gonna have to leave
It's
in a couple
easy.
minutes.
Nothing.
Cut open.
Look at that romance.
And
Romance. Romeo and Juliet right there.
you can cut open.
Your face.
We can cut open so.
Hey, what's inside this?
Inside the face.
Look at that.
Cut that open. You got. We'll find out if that's real Earth or not.
You idiot.
I don't know. We'll stab a knife through it, and then the knife just comes through and stabs Parker.
Let's cut open a piece of chalk.
Small piece of,
We're gonna cut open.
Alright, it's earth and small form. When you stick a knife through it, it goes through this hole.
We're gonna cut open a piece of chalk.
And the 1 out of a million chance, the only person that kills is Parker.
Why chalk?
Okay.
Look at
Say
this
hello.
chalk. It's amazing.
I'm cutting open a piece of chalk. Oh, inside of a chalk is just more chalk.
You can tell when you actually use it.
Exactly.
Oh,
Stupid.
we can cut open a pen. We didn't know the ink that's in it. The ink that's in it.
Yeah, you want to? You got an ink pen? Does anyone have no ink pen? Sai and Izzy. Really? Old ones? Can I cut one open? Can I cut one open? Parker, does your grandma have any ink pens?
My mom will never notice. Alright, we're gonna cut open this pen, guys. Only because
sliding too.
Dude, how long has the video been rolling for?
5 minutes.
Sai and Izzy and Garrett and Allison.
Shut up.
Well, I mean, come on, guys. How come you just can't use it?
Your girlfriend.
Well, did your grandma? We had to go outside to do it.
Yeah.
As I said.
Hey,
Go on, go. Yeah, put them up.
yes, I know. That's why I said I see you, Sai. And something Garrett.
We are then go cut open an ink pen. Now, we're gonna let you know how it is. If you remember.
Mom, I'm not ready.
No! Go put those up. Those are my strawberries. Go put those up. We are then be going to decapitate a pen. Or cut open a pen. We did a marker yesterday. When oh yeah. We are going to be cutting open
Okay.
a normal ink pen. You know, ink pen. The ink pen you write with in class, where it's going to be pretty much cut. We're going to see what's inside. We did a marker yesterday. We are going to give this to the cameraman, which would be him. No, not you.
Aiden.
Aiden, you're going to hold the camera right at me.
And
No, the other way. Come outside.
outside.
Come on, little children. How you want some? Hiya, hiya, hiya.
No, it's not like fighting you.
Ready? Say goodbye, bye.
Say goodbye to my life. Oh, he cut it open.
That's what happens.
Inside of an ink pen is ink.
Pink.
Wow, you people just became smaller.
Thank you. Now you want some? You want a face painting?
Ow!
That thing will come out.
Secret experiment.
Secret Power Ranger.
Look at the scissors.
Ah, someone's died. Let's go.
The monster.
Keep on fighting, America.